this is for all the interns who are going to start working at our site, that is surkhia.com. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to type www.surkhia.com/admin. Okay, so this will redirect you to the web page of Surkhia that asks for your login with username and password, and here you have to write your username and password, and then you have to log in. So here we are into the website. So now what you are required to do is you have to do nothing. You have to just go to this option that is posts, and you have to select all posts. See here all the posts are appearing, and now to write your articles you have to write add new. You have to click on add new post. So here we go. Okay. So after clicking on add new post, here we are going to start or begin our internship by writing blogs for surkhia.com. So here you need to write the title, here you need to write the content, and whatever you write, you have to write your focus keyword over here. Focus keyword in the sense the word that you want to be typed so that your articles comes in the Google searches list. Okay. And after that, after you write some heading, you write some content of article. What you have to do is go to this option and then post option, and then here you have to choose category. See if it is of international, choose international. Then you have to add some tags, India, COVID-19, something like that, and then you have to select a feature image. Feature image means an image that will appear on the top of your article, the main image. Okay, so feature image, what happens with feature image is this needs to be of 1200 into 675 dimension. So for keeping our feature image of 1200 to 675 dimension, what we have to do is we have to open canva.com. Okay, and over Canva, but we don't need any premium to make our photo of 1200 to 675 dimension. So what we have to do is click on design, and then here click on custom design, and we have to type 1200 into 675, means 1200 width. Okay, now you click on create new design. So here we go. For your convenience, what you can do is bookmark this page. So whenever you need to make a picture of dimension 12:675, what all you need to do is just go through that page. This will appear over here, and click on this, and directly that page will open. Okay. So here we will post our photo that we want to be featured. So first of all, let us suppose our article is on PM Modi. Okay. Click here, and take any image. See, all these images are appearing. Take any of them. Take this image, first one. From here you need to copy this image, and you just need to see that this is from the wire, so that you may give credits at the time while posting this image. So for pasting this over here, just type CTRL+V, and the image will get posted. All you need to do is just settle this image according to the given frame. So easy, it's very easy. It might be looking difficult for the first time. I also thought it would have been difficult when I did this first time, but it's very easy. And you need to just change this from PNG to JPG. Okay, and then click on download, and the image will be downloaded of 1200 into 675 dimension. Okay, see here download, we have to start, and this will automatically start download. And now we'll move to our page and click on set featured image. Okay, then we'll here click on upload. If you find your required image among this, then you can directly take it from here. But since you are going to post a unique image, you want to post a unique image, you just click on upload files, and here all the files will appear, what all are saved into your memory, computer memory, laptop memory, and click on this, and see, here it appears. And what all you need to do is just write the credits in the caption. See here caption is available here, right? Image credits, and write. See, we saw that this image was from The Wire. See over here, The Wire is there. Just write The Wire. That's all, and just click on upload image. See here the image is set, and for posting that image on the top of your article, you just need to move this line, move your content one line below, and just click on add option. Just click on image, media library, and this image will appear at the top. And again, you need to just select it, and here we go. Then just click on publish, and you're all set to publish your articles at surkhya.com. So if any query appears, then just message me, Arjun Singh, or anybody in my team. Thank you so much.